Kota Kinabalu and at the Manukan island, we needed to hire a boat from Manukan island to diving center for about 10 minutes ride, and diving center was actually a boat. And yeah, and when we went underground like the first time, it was such a unique experience. Like if you ever love sea creatures, you should at least like have gone this like a million times. And but there are some pros and cons. The cons are the helmet is 35 kg, so if you're a little boy like me, it's gonna hurt. And just after one day of going, like my shoulders hurt so badly, and there was a lot of noise. So since there's a pressure of water, that's also a con. The noise is like probably like amplified, so you can hear yourself breathing a lot, like and you can hear the bubbles. And but the pros, there's a lot of sea creatures, and you can see colorful fishes as you can see in the videos, and you can touch and feel. It's like so great, like you can feel the corals, and it feels so nice. It feels like gummy bear, but better. And there's another pro where people actually record you on GoPros and they will give you a DVD after you finish your activities, which is actually pretty cool. I think in some places they actually charge you. I don't think they charge us. So they just put a helmet over your head, and there's a long white pipe that provides oxygen to you, and it's connected to the helmet. And when you walk deeper into the sea, you will feel a bit of discomfort in your eardrum due to the increased water pressure. So the breathing, when you just get on, you will have an absolutely hard time breathing if you're a little boy like me. And and you feel like, oh no, I'm really scared. Don't be scared. You just want to be there for like 2 seconds, and you can proceed. And they will if anything, you just have to tap on their hands, and they will assist you. So walking with this helmet undersea was like having an adventure in outer space and abyss. The feeling is funny in the water with dry head. You don't have to worry that you don't have to worry that your hair's gonna get wet. Which is actually pretty, some people actually worry that your head is getting wet, because you can feel nauseous on the food. And don't worry, the helmet won't float away. There were schools of fishes swimming around like me, it was great. It's one of the most colorful things I've ever seen. They were so close, you could actually touch them. But one fish bit my brother, which is actually pretty funny. I don't know why. I think it's probably a one-off fish that was in the school, and it was very quiet. It was not very quiet, but it was quiet. It was so quiet that you can hear a lot of your rumblings. We obviously could not talk to each other really. If you can talk to each other, then something's wrong with your ears, right? No joke. To keep our eyes and our hands busy, the staff actually brought us some coral and sea cucumber for touch and feel experience. It was so soft. I thought I was gonna break, so I didn't even touch it. What a thing I missed out on. And so the ticket prices are for adults and child. So there's two. So it's not just one ticket. There's one for adult and a child. And the child is 150 ringgit and the adult is 180 ringgit. Yeah, so that's it for the sea walk.